Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. Today I will be decluttering in my living room and giving it a good clean. I have a list of everything in my house that needs decluttering and gradually working my way through this, and today it's about 6 p.m. and I randomly decided that now is the time to get on with it and stop putting it off. I really hope that you enjoy this video and it gives you some motivation to get a bit of decluttering and cleaning done, as you know you'll feel better once it's done. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Michelle and I upload videos every single week. I do upload quite a lot of decluttering and cleaning content, so if you do enjoy this kind of video then I would love for you to subscribe. So I'm going to start with the side of the fireplace. So in our fireplace we've basically got this hidden storage, which is a fantastic idea. I never actually painted in it, but it's just got a bit messy. It's got some of my nail varnish bits in there, makeup, yeah, and then I just store other bits in. So I've got some boxes from IKEA and need to give this a good declutter and organise it.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep.
Whew, even found a new, brand new diffuser in here. That's handy. Oh my gosh, I've got nappy in here. I think this has just become one of those areas where I've just shoved stuff and never actually sorted it out, so this is a well overdue job. So we've just got everything out now. Oh, is there money in there? And we're just going to sort out and basically work out what needs to go in there and then put it into. Should we show the boxes that we've got?
Yeah, these. But I don't want you to do it. I want to do all of it.
You want to do it? All right then.
Yeah.
Because pass them to Mama.
Where?
I've got these boxes, which are really good actually. I can't remember what they're called.
Boxes.
I know they're called boxes. I can't remember what they're called. They're from IKEA. They're really handy. I was looking for ages for some that would fit in there. It's about 30 centimetres deep, but I really wanted some with lids as well. And these are really good because they're stackable and they come in. I think they were called like Klugis or something like that. But like I said, I will link them down below. So we're just going to sort all of this out, work out what needs to go in there, and then start to put some of the bits into boxes as well. Yeah. So I feel like it's much more organised now. I feel like these units from, these boxes from IKEA are great actually. Yeah, it's just much more organised. I do just need to label everything, so I'm going to label the boxes and then it will be completely done. I just got rid of loads of stuff that I didn't really need. Yeah, much better now. So next up, I'm going to get on and do these cupboards here. This actually used to be part of our old TV unit. It's part of the Besta range, and before we had the fire den, it kind of went along there. It did look quite good actually, but yeah, I'm not really sure if they go in here anymore, but I just kept them in here because they're obviously great storage. But I just need to have a bit of a sort out, see what we actually use in there. So I've got a few board games in here. What's in here? Like puzzles and Arabella's games and stuff, and just, yeah, I don't really know what is in here, to be honest. So just going to get everything out. And then I have also bought some feet for this as well, again from IKEA, just to make it like lift it up a bit more and make it look a little bit more like a sideboard instead of just sat on the floor like this. I feel like it might look a little bit better. And I've also bought another shelf from IKEA that I might put in, I might not, just depending on how it works. So yeah, I'm going to get on and empty all of this out now.
For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change.
I feel like I'm at this point when you're tidying up or decluttering where it's definitely worse before it gets better, but have faith, it won't take long. So I've emptied everything out of the cupboards now, and then I'm going to get Nick to try and help me put the feet on it as well, and then yeah, we'll see how that looks. Hopefully that will make it look a bit more sideboardy, if that's a word. So I got these from IKEA. They're just basically black legs to go on here. So no idea what I'm doing really, but I assume that I just unscrew this and then screw these in. We will find out, I guess. Tighten that, but yeah, that'll do. And then I'll just put a couple down here and put the rest on as well, but I won't film all that because it's really boring to watch. Right, let's get this lifted up then. Once the feet were on and it was stood up, I dusted and vacuumed behind it before pushing it back into place. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. So we've got the unit up now, I've got the feet in place, and I'm just deciding whereabouts to have it, whether I had to have it up against the wall again or in the middle, but obviously I still need to be able to open the storage in the fireplace. And then I've been moaning at Nick to do this for ages, because it's not in the middle anymore now I've had the fireplace built, which was nearly 2 years ago. So we're basically going to move that into the middle as well, scrape the wall a little bit. I mean, this is quite temporary anyway because I really want to do the living room and put like a big mirror or something here and do some paneling, but for now, yeah, we're just going to move that along into the middle, and then I think I'll probably leave this in the middle then too as well. I've got one of these shelves that I got from IKEA. It's just basically the additional shelves that you can buy for the Besta unit, and that I think that I'm probably going to put these in here as well, just so I can have one side, it will just make Arabella's games a little bit easier to see, and then the other side I'll probably put adult games in and then put the box in there. So I'm going to do that now. The games and puzzles and everything in there are much more accessible now and easier to find, and there is still more room.
When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing.
That's the decluttering done now, so now I'm just going to move on to the cleaning, starting with this unit. I do of course still have everything on the floor that still hasn't gone back into the unit that I need to sort out. Most of the toys in there are in really good condition, so I'm going to either give them to charity or to a local children's hospital. As you can see, it was getting pretty late by this point and I just wanted to finish off cleaning the living room. I didn't really have that much left to do, just a little bit of dusting, sort the sofa out, still needed to vacuum and then finish off with 1001 so it smelled lovely in here. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some motivation to get a bit of decluttering or cleaning done. If you have, then please do give it a thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching and hopefully I will see you again next time. Bye!